all-in-one tool for selling merch on Amazon. Don't worry, I got you, because this tool can do just that, and we're gonna get it done in under 10 minutes. Let's get it. All right, excuse my haircut. I got shit sticking up. All right, perfect. This is the website. This is called Merch Informer. Now, this they claim is the all-in-one tool. The only thing you're gonna need to start selling merch on Amazon. So a lot of y'all think y'all sell merch. You got clothing lines. You wanna go order a bunch of mock-ups, order a bunch of shit before you have a proof of concept. I suggest using social media to see what works and tools like this so you can handle all the back end, like automations, how to design your clothes, all the other stuff, trademarks, you get me. All right, so look, this is the most in-depth search product database, they say. They say they have over 12 million designs, you hear me? Over 3 marketplaces. So let's just scroll around and just show y'all what it looks like. They got the data. The data is fire because that's what's gonna help you pick what's the trending t-shirts, what's the trending pants, what are the best styles, what is other people selling that you could also sell or mimic or put into your brand so you can get more sales. Keep track of progress. They got optimization, graphic packs. All right, y'all get it. And I just want you to see this portion of it. 4 years, 23 tools, 12 million products. And I want to show y'all real quick, they do have a one-stop shop for merch. So if you want ideas, you want to order some samples or something, let me just show you. We go ahead and type in our word. I said sweats. Let's hit search, see what happens. And this page is going to be your one-stop shop also. So if you want to get in contact with hand-picked designers and industry experts, you can also type in whatever you want and start contacting the people who design the merch as well. But let's get into it. All right, I got to get y'all the sauce. So when you get into it and you sign up for an account, this is what yours is going to look like. And I'm going to show you how to get this for free, so relax. All right, so I got something called Competition Checker. This is my favorite thing that I've been using so far to check out on it, but I want to show you some of the other things. They have product research, trademarks, tools. We're going to get to that, but let's check out this Competition Checker. This for me is fire because, as y'all know, success leaves clues. You don't got to remake the wheel every time, bro. So look, you see I typed in sweatshirt and look what happened. There's 400 products that are trending right now, and look at all these different tees, graphic tees, etc. right? So I'm going to type in, let's just do graphic. All right, but you see we want to keep jobs in the country, so we chose America. And as you see, the total score for this is an F. So you can scroll down, they'll still have some things, but the search score was not as good. So we're just going to make it more broad. And so once you got your keyword typed in, you can kind of scroll down and it's going to show you these are some of the best seller keywords. So when you're selling your products on Shopify, wherever you're selling it from, these are some of the keywords you might want to enter in your ad or under your product. So we typed in sweat and look what happened. Sweating in weird places. That's a fire tee. Interesting. But look, they got ratings. They have all the information you need. And Pete, if you want to see the features, you press show and look what it's going to do. It shows you all the features. So when you're listing a product, guess what you can do? Mimic, I ain't gonna say copy exactly, but mimic what the other successful products are doing. This is the feature guide. They got 1, 2, 3 bullet points. What do you think your shirt should have if you want to get some of the similar sales? For a description, look at their description. Everything you need right there. You can copy and paste this, maybe put it in the ChatGPT, wherever, rephrase it according to your products, and boom, you can list your products. And you can do this for any type of things that you want and you can find on here. That is Competition Tracker. Now you see on the left, we got Keyword Finder, the Keyword Cloud, Trending Phrases, and the Niche Hunter. Let's go to Niche Hunter. Yeah, I officially just found a new favorite part of the website. This is the Niche Hunter. So when we scroll down, look at this. We got funny t-shirts. Look at search volume. Look at the search volume for funny t-shirts. They got cats, memes, presidents, all types of different things that you can put on a t-shirt, and you can find them here as examples, and you can see right here. You can find it and add it to your cart. You can search the product. You can see the details that go into it. They got raunchy shirts. Look at the search volume. You can't argue numbers, baby. Yapper shirts, whatever that is like memes for girls probably, so on and so forth. And you can break this down, and they have over 1,200 entries, bro. So that's for Niche Hunter. So if you're looking for shirts, that's a category. If you're looking for hoodies, yeah, if you like anything you see in this video, make sure you check the description because I'm gonna have the link to the tool right there and everything else you need. Get back to the video. Click of a button, we press hoodies. After this drop down, you can click anything you want. And when we press hoodies, look at this. Another 200,000 puff hoodies, whatever those are, JMU hoodies, Gap hoodies, all of these different things that you can literally start looking at what's already selling, see what kind of designs they got going, see what kind of wording, logos, pictures. This is a great tool. This is fire. Now we go over here to something called trending phrases. So we're going to enter the date right now. All right, now I'm recording this as of September 16th. So I went ahead and picked the date, press search. And as you see, in America, these are the keywords that's going right now. It's going crazy. Case, swappable grip, pop grips, Halloween, we got that holiday coming up next month. So look at all these keywords you can start putting into your product. If you're making funny t-shirts, why not make one about Halloween? The holiday's just coming up. We just had whatever that day was, Labor Day, whatever. All of these things are coming up, so it's stuff that you could talk about, you feel me? And if you live in different countries, don't trip because they got the UK, they got Germany. Wherever you stay at, they got it. Now let's go down. Trademark alert, trademark hunter. Let's see what we talking about. Yes, you ugly man. If your ugly ass got a trademark, you go ahead and upload it right there, and everything will be stored in their database for good. Here, they got trademark alerts as well. It says here that Merch Informer will track trademarks against any of the clothing, tote bags, whatever, see if they are not safe, because there are certain categories that Amazon merch demand that you look at. So you're gonna make sure all your legal work is proper right here too. And honestly, the tool just gets better and better the more you check it out. Under tools, there's so many different things. Listing score checker, you can have your favorites. Even if we go up here to the product research, we can literally go to merch hunter. We can go to the movers and shakers, the trend tracker. So I'm gonna show you one more thing before I show you another. I'm gonna show you one more part of this website before I show you how you can get it for free. And just look. I didn't change shit. I just pressed search. And when I didn't change anything, I pressed search and look what happened. Boom. Total results, the lowest price, the highest price, the average price, everything you need. And these are shirts that are sold on Amazon, a trusted place. You can get your products put right on Amazon, bro. Look at this. We talked about the funny shirts. Now you talking all that? You hear me? Talking all that shit? Look what's happening. Look at the sales. Look at the sales. Look at the sales. Okay? So this is a great way we can start capitalizing on these holidays, on Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Halloween, whatever's coming up. These are things that are popping right now, and we know with the internet, anything can go viral, anything can trend. Oh, and by the way, it's no excuse, because if you press learn, they got tutorials on everything in here, so it's like a hands-on class. Let me show you how to get it for free. So if you watched to the end of the video, that means you were interested, and if you click the description, this is going to give you a free trial. So you'll be able to get this for a free trial. And if you want to make hundreds of dollars, I know you might want to be thinking about how to invest hundreds of dollars, but with this, you're going to get it for free trial, and even after that, it's only $10, bro. So it's less than your OnlyFans, freaky man. So it's less than that. It's less than the meals you eat every day that you see on TikTok. Why not invest in your clothing brand? Because look, Christmas is coming. We got to pay for some gifts. We got bills to pay. You dig what I'm saying? Let me know what you think of the tool. This is Merch Informer. Tell them the session sent you. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all know. Stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.